Welcome to this video on how robotics is revolutionizing the industry. In this video, we'll explore how robots are being used in manufacturing, logistics, and other industries, and how they are transforming the workplace. Let's start with manufacturing. Robots are being used in factories to perform a wide range of tasks, from welding and painting to assembly and packaging. These robots can work quickly and accurately without getting tired or making mistakes. They can also operate in hazardous or difficult environments, such as high-temperature areas or clean rooms. By automating these tasks, robots can help to increase efficiency and productivity while also reducing costs and improving quality. One example of this is the automotive industry. Many car manufacturers are now using robots to perform tasks such as welding and painting, which were traditionally done by human workers. This has helped to improve quality and consistency, while also reducing production time and costs. Moving on to logistics, robots are also being used to help with the movement and storage of goods. For example, automated guided vehicles, a GVS, can transport materials and products around a warehouse or factory. These GVS can navigate autonomously, using sensors and mapping technology to avoid obstacles and reach their destinations. This can help to speed up the movement of goods, reduce errors, and improve safety. Another example is the use of drones for delivery. Companies such as Amazon and UPS are now experimenting with using drones to deliver packages directly to customers. This could help to reduce delivery times and costs, particularly in rural or hard-to-reach areas. Beyond manufacturing and logistics, robots are also being used in other industries, such as healthcare and agriculture. In healthcare, robots are being used to perform tasks such as surgery, rehabilitation, and patient care. These robots can help to improve patient outcomes while also reducing the workload on healthcare workers. In agriculture, robots are being used to perform tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. These robots can help to increase efficiency and productivity while also reducing the need for human labor and improving crop yields. So, what does all of this mean for the workplace? Well, the increasing use of robots and automation is undoubtedly transforming the workplace in many ways. Some jobs may become obsolete as robots take over certain tasks. However, new jobs will also be created, such as those involved in robot design, maintenance, and programming. The use of robots may also change the nature of work, with workers needing to acquire new skills and adapt to new ways of working. For example, workers may need to learn how to work alongside robots or program them to perform certain tasks. In conclusion, robotics is revolutionizing the industry in many ways, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and agriculture. Robots can help to increase efficiency, productivity, and safety, while also reducing costs and minimizing errors. While the increasing use of robots may have an impact on the workplace, it also presents new opportunities for innovation and growth. Thank you for watching this video on how robotics is revolutionizing the industry.